So here it is, it's loaded successfully. So here you can see that a message, welcome to crypto dApps, welcome to DAO. Your crypto dApps NFT balance is 2, treasury balance is 0.1 Ethereum, total number of proposals 0. So as I have already uh, have NFTs from the previous lecture, so that's why it's showing 2. Now let me change my account and see, sorry, uh, let me change my account to Goldie 2 and let's see. Okay, so here I don't have any balance, so let's first created proposal using this account. Okay, you don't have any crypto dev NFTs, you cannot create water proposal. Okay, so can I view the proposal? Yes, I can view it, but there is no proposal in it. So let's, I think, okay, let's uh, get some NFT balance from previous lesson. Now let's go, click on NFT collection, right click on it, and now run yarn dev. So both applications are running. So here you can see that 3000 is already occupied, so it have opened it on 3001. Now let's see, uh, let's connect it with this, let's connect it here. Okay, let's see, now let's mint it. It will take some time. Let's wait for it. So check the message, whether it is working or not. Yes, it successfully minted a crypto dev. Maybe 3 out of 20 have been minted. Now let's check the crypto balance here. Yes, so now we get NFT balance 1 that we have just minted from our last tutorial, which is about NFT collection. Now we can create a proposal. Now let's create a proposal with token ID to purchase. Let's set it 0 and let's press create. Now let's confirm it, waiting for transaction. Okay, great. I think we have successfully created a proposal. Let's see. Yes, here it is. We have set proposal ID 2. Take NFT to purchase 0. Deadline is 5 minutes and vote 0 and negative vote 0. Then executed, not executed yet. Now let's vote for it. Whenever your transaction is successful, you will see the alert here also. As I am creating a video, so it might be not visible here, so but you will able to see the notification from the MetaMask about your current transaction. Now let's wait for it. So here it is. We have successfully voted our own proposal. So we can also add the check at the time of voting that only the person who have created the proposal can't able to vote for its own proposal. So let's change the user and vote it again. Let's change it and first refresh it to see the balance. Yes, I have 2 crypto balance. Now let's view the proposal. Here it is. Now let's vote it. Okay. So okay, it's voted successfully. Now let's vote again. Okay, so it's give us some error. Okay, it says that you have already voted for this particular proposal. Now let's wait for it. Now let's wait for 5 minutes and then we will check again the condition of that 5 minutes.